Hey ladies and gentlemen, and happy Halloween. I love this spooky time of the year, and there is nothing more exciting for me than getting the opportunity to create some fun hair. And who better to do it on than my pal, the lovely Alice. Hey Alice.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Great.
Excellent.
To be here.
Yeah, I'm happy to have you here. You look amazing in this wig.
Oh, thanks.
I absolutely love it. I mean, I love your look anyway. And like hearing your nice, cool black dress, your boots, you look amazing. So I thought we'd go with a bit of a spooky look. So we're using Brooklynn. And this Brooklynn is in Henna Red-R. So Henna Red, ladies and gentlemen, Henna Red is always a nice bright red. But what we've done with this wig and this hair colour is our Henna Red isn't too shiny. So we move away from those kind of costume reds more into the fashion reds. But that being said, this is going to look amazing for your spooky nights out and stuff. So I have something in mind that I think you might quite like. I want something to be wearable, and I love seeing these longer. I mean, I love yours when you're not wearing any wigs and you're just you, think it looks great, but I love this longness on you as well. It looks really cool. So as opposed to putting it all up, I thought we'd do a bit of a half up, half down. What do you think?
I love a half up, half down.
Me too. So I have these. She's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so I got a couple of arms here, right? And on these arms, I got some bun rings. So these here, these actually don't come with these. So you can get these from any one of the shops, hairdressing stores, online. There's many different stores that sell these, but see that bun ring? It looks like, actually looks like hair as well. So I'll keep that one like that, just to show the guys at home. I'll show you what I kind of did. So I'm going to put it over there, and then I'll just double it up. So the idea is, we're going to have a go at it and ultimately make sure that it stays in and stays nice and firm. But I think what we're going to do is get a half up, half down, keep some length, get these arms incorporated into the hair, and give everyone a scare as you're walking around like you're trying to get them. So let's get in there. Cool. Here, let's look at what I'm doing here. So first off, this bun ring, I just want to get this nice and secure. I think we need a few more of these pins though, don't we? So at the moment, what I'm doing is just putting those bobby pins in. And what's important is that I just put them in, but I try and get them and grip them in between the wefting. And that way I'm not damaging any fibres on the wigs. So at this stage, we know that they're holding in without me holding them, no hands. So what I'm doing now, guys, I'm going over with some fine pins. I'm adding them, tucking one of the sides of the pins into the bun ring and the other side into the wig. Ultimately, what I want to do is have the right amount of bones on both the sides so it's even, and then I want to cover the bun rings. Just figuring out where I want to lay the hair to best cover the bun rings. You see how I just wrap that hair over this way? So clip that one in, like so. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna do the same again, okay? So I'm taking a piece of hair. All right, a little bit of hair, a little bit of hair. Okay, and what I want to do is cover this. So I'm going to go over here, look. So just with my brush, and as well, I'd want to keep the curl pattern. You know, there's other videos out there where we've brushed different curl patterns out and it looks fantastic. For this, I want to keep the curl pattern exactly as is, out of the box and ready to go. So that being said, if I want to keep that, I've got to work more delicately and not brush through as much. So I'm working predominantly with the tail of the comb and just going to put some grips in there. So we can see, the hard work of this style, guys, was getting these arms in. That was the hardest thing. So now what it is, this is more like arrangement, okay? So let's talk about arrangement. So flower arranging. You know, flower arranging, people don't go and make a flower, do they? The flower already exists, they just arrange them in a pretty way. So the hair today is similar. The hair already exists, right? The hair's already there, the colour's beautiful, the curl pattern is there. The arms and the detail are on theme for Halloween. So all we need to do now is just arrange the hair to best suit the style. I'll show you what I mean. So what I did there, look, is I went in with that, and look. Okay, so I'm using my comb as an anchor point. So I don't have to use my hands, I can walk away and I can stand and I can look at it and say, is that working? Yes, it is. So, you know, and then I have the luxury of then, because I've propped it up with the comb, being able to cover it like so. And then you see, take that away and it's perfectly in place. So let's have a look at her from the front. How would this look if we lost all of that? Well, actually that looks really quite pretty, especially if we leave some bangs out. And then I like some softness on the face because of the nature of what we want.
That's really nice.
Does that work for you? Do you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
That's great. That's great. Do you feel spooky?
I feel a good balance of spooky and pretty.
Perfect. That was the brief. Balance of spooky and pretty. Excellent. So, okay, so now we have this piece of hair. Guys, I'm looking here. I love this. I love this softness. But more importantly, Alice loves it and she's the lady wearing it. So that's what it's about. So then let's do this together. Let's twirl her around. Let's twirl her around and let's offer this up. So when I say offer it up, I mean put it there in situ and see if it works. Does that work? Does it look good? Does it look good going this way, or would it look better going over that way and then cascading that way? Where do we get more coverage? Does it matter? Look at all the different things, weigh it up, because, you know, yes, you can take hair back down, of course you can, but it's easier if you don't have to. I'm gonna try put this round. Oh yeah. And for me, that looks cool. Love being able to see these white bones coming out here. Maybe want to move that hair out a little bit there. That's working. And I want to turn around here. Do I have balance here? Yes, I do. We can then start putting a few more bobby pins in to secure. Thank you for wearing it so well. This is Alice. This is a spooky hairstyle in Brooklyn in Henna Red-R. I'm Alexander. This is the René of Paris channel. Thank you for tuning in and happy Halloween. Bye.